Welcome back, learners. After the completion of chapter 5th, now we are starting chapter 6th, which is changes around us. So let us explore more about this chapter. What a fun would it be if you suddenly get some magical power to change things around you? What are the things you would like to change? Here in this picture you can see this boy is imagining many things which he want to change. He want to be a king, want to prepare a palace over the cloud, want to grow nose longer, want to fly in sky, and he want to create some magical pen and pencil which can do homework on its own. So these are the imagination of this boy. You can imagine beyond it. So let me know about your imagination. You can write them in comments. So we do not have magical power, of course, but we can still change few things around us. Perhaps many things. Can you list few things you can change around you with no magic involved? You are probably confused, so let me help you. Many changes are taking place around us on their own. In the fields, the crop change from time to time. This time you can see maize growing outside in the field. Later on you will see some other crop. Okay? Many climbers may be growing around you. So students, we are seeing the changes in crop pattern. Sometimes leaf fall from tree, change color and dry out. Okay? Flower blooms for some time. So these are the changes which are happening outside. Are any changes happening in our body? Of course. Look, your nails grow, your hair grow, you grow taller, your weight increases as you grow. So these are the changes which are happening in our body. Did you realize earlier that so many changes are taking place around you all the time? Can some of the changes can be grouped together? Now we are going to discuss about it. So our heading is, can all changes always be reversed? You have to think about it, that whether this change can be done, the change which we are studying can be reversed. Okay? This girl is blowing air into the balloon. When she will release the balloon, the air will go out and again the balloon will be as it was earlier. So yes, this change can be reversed. Now, look, a dough has been prepared by kneading the flour. If you went to kitchen and you started playing with this dough and you change its shape, okay, now you can see this dough has been turned into a round shaped roti. Later on you can crump it and you can again make it like this. So in this manner we can change the shape, we can reverse this change. Okay, so the next one is a toy aeroplane made by folding paper. The paper which was earlier plain has been folded and an aeroplane has been prepared. Can you reverse the change? Of course. You can unfold the paper and it will become as it was earlier. Okay, now an aeroplane cut out of paper. This time students, as you have cut out this piece from this paper, now you cannot make the paper as it was earlier because it's having a hole over it. Okay, lastly you can see a roti or a prepared chapati. Here, as it has been cooked, so you cannot make it raw again. So today we have understand that what are the changes which are happening around us, the changes which are happening in your body, and now we have understood that we can group these changes on a category whether they can be reversed or they cannot be. So that's all for today. We will explore more in the upcoming classes.